the dog. I don't give a fuck. No way. I'm broke on bed. I'm drunk on my head. You don't take your videos, boys. You can just take your pictures.
I already got the big kick then.
That's already taken. That's the video. What are you doing making videos? I'm drunk on my head. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, I love these ones. Whatever. Look at that. Hey. Look at me, look at me, look.
I've look at the brush,
That video.
Yeah, look at his knees.
Look at me, Nate.
From right the big dirty fat bird.
Look. What's that riding some dirty fucking bitch that was on for it? I was like, yeah, I want to ride, and I was like, yeah. I said, you know what? I said, like, look at me knees, that me riding, and I was like,
right, look at his knees.
Look at me knees.
You turned around and said, yeah, look, I'm Uncle Lenny.
I was like, oh, got Lenny, you know what I mean?
Big bird knees look for right, the big fat joke that looked like the Wizard of Oz.
Yeah, and she got this Wizard of Oz, you know what I mean? Whatever. Bitch, because you know what? She was on for it. And I wasn't. I was just like, I just wanted to stick it in me, and I was like, you know what? Because it's so sound, I will stick it in me. I was like, okay.
I'm telling you.
Right, you can put the video right there.